What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Nike Air Force Ones 2007 edition in black and white. Let's get into it. So if you want to get these, you can go to nike.com or .com/ca if you're in Canada. These come in black, white, or you can design your own color. I got them in the black and white. These will run you around $120. Just simple black and white. I had a pair of these back like when I was younger. Not the same color, but just got these recently. They actually came in pretty quickly, so I figured may as well get them unboxed for you. Oh cool, so you got the, I don't even need the knife, looks like. Nice. So you got the pull tab there in the box. Really cool. Just peel that. Throw it in the garbage. Pop it open. Got some Nike branding right there. On the box. Ooh. Throw that box aside. This is a really cool box. Nice, like off gray, kind of whitish. The Nike Air Force One on the top. These are size 11.5 men's. Yeah, these are really nice. Let's check them out. Nice Air Force One paper inside. Ooh, baby. These are fire. Got that new shoe smell too. There's a silhouette. Just nice. Kind of general purpose kind of shoe. Yeah, these are great. These are great. Love a look at these. Super, super fresh. These are going to be my new go-to shoes. I have been wearing the Nike Cortez like consistently for the last couple of years. Really good shoes, but it was time to upgrade them. Back to school, all that sort of thing. Yeah, super super fresh shoes. There's the other one. So that's what they look like. Yeah, super fire. I definitely rock with these. 120 bucks, pretty good price for some nice Nikes. Cool box too. I'll show you that one more time. Air Force One. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alrighty, yeah, so I just wanted to bring you this quick unboxing. Nike Air Force Ones, black and white, size 11s, 2007 edition. Got these from nike.com/ca. I have that link down below if you want to check these out. Yeah, definitely fire shoes. You like the long, kind of chunky silhouette, really cool bottoms. Cool pattern on there. Yeah, this is super fire. I definitely rock with them. Thanks for watching this video. Check them out down below, as well as my social media and Instagram and all my codes and all that sort of thing. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and then I'll be back with more soon. Peace out.